We all want better video calls because we can connect with people on a completely different level and sell more things to the right prospects. And I've created a video call course to help you do all those things, but this one lesson is the one thing I thought I should give away for free because it's one thing that made the biggest difference when I implemented it into my business. Hope you enjoy. Are you ready to go to the next level? So far, we've talked about using sound, cameras, lighting, and your space to elevate your video conferencing. But in this lesson, we're going to learn how to use some key pieces of equipment to turn your video conferencing setup into a small studio. One of the key items is the prompter. A prompter is a piece of glass at a 45-degree angle with a monitor sat beneath it that can be mounted in front of the camera. The camera shoots through the glass and the person facing the camera can see the output of the monitor being reflected in front of them. You might recognize these from the world of TV. TV presenters often use prompters with words scrolling up the glass as they read their scripts, and you can do that too to record content. For us in video conferencing, using a prompter means that we can be looking directly at the client at the same time as being able to see the output of your computer screen. This is a game changer. Look at the difference between me talking to my computer screen and talking directly to camera. When I'm looking at the prompter, I look more natural, and the perception of the other person is that I'm really talking to them. We know how important eye contact is in forming a connection. Using a prompter helps us to achieve that. It's a huge step forwards, and I don't think we can understate how frustrating the alternative is. I mean, I attended an hour-long webinar recently where the host was looking at his screen for the entire time. It was so draining, and eventually I just switched off. This is the setup I use in my home office, a £3,000 camera on a tripod behind a prompter with a screen below it that's capable of flipping the image. You'll need that function so that when you move your mouse it goes in the right direction. You can see the output of my computer on that glass. You can also see that even when I'm reading something on the screen, I still look engaged and connected. So get a prompter and use it as a second monitor. It will instantly make you stand out. It allows you to run presentations while maintaining eye contact and connection with your clients. The people you speak to will be blown away. And I think I've found the best prompter for you to use as an all-in-one solution, and it is the Elgato prompter. It comes with the monitor already attached. You can very quickly switch between it being a monitor and it showing text, and also in a recent update it's added the facility to listen to your words, move the script as you're speaking, so it makes it really simple. I'll put a link to that down below.